Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you guys an unboxing video regarding a power tool. So let's see what we got here. So you can see the briefcase here. So this contains everything I'm going to show you. So let's open this case. So this is an LIDUO lithium-ion cordless drill. So you can see the user manual here. So what I have got here is this the bottom left one, this power tool. So you can find the most important user instructions in this user manual. So it's not a very big one, it's just a 6-page book, and here you can find the charger for the rechargeable batteries, and you can find an extra rechargeable battery here, and this is our main product. So LIDUO power tool. After removing this case, you can find this power tool, and in here also one battery is installed to this power tool. So this is really handy one, not very big and not very hard to handle, and you can see a level indicator here. So when you drilling something, you can find if this tool is in a properly level position using this level indicator, and this button here, you can press this in various strength to vary the speed of the drill, and in here you can find a button, and it goes up to here. So the purpose of this button is when you push this to other side like this, the direction of the rotation of this drill is going to change. So let's think for a minute that in this position the drill is turning clockwise. So if I press this one to like this, okay, then the drill is gonna rotate counterclockwise. So let me show this one. Before that, I have to show you that in here a small light also you can find here, and it will help you to do a smooth drilling while operating of this power tool. So let me press this button and show you how this works. See, when you press this button, this light also turns on, and you can see the drill is rotating, and by changing this strength you apply to this, the speed of the drill can be changed. You see, so now you can see the drill is rotating clockwise direction. So if I press this drill is going to turn counterclockwise. That means this direction. Okay, see. So likewise you can see the specifications and use of this drill, and this do not include the drill bits. You have to buy them separately, and by turning this part you can add and remove the drill bits. So you don't need any that drill bit key to tighten the drill bits, And also when you want to change the battery, because this is an lithium ion rechargeable battery, when this battery got drained, you have to you can use the other one, and you can plug this to the charger. So when you want to remove this, you have to press this hard. It's a little bit tight. Okay, you can see these are the places that batteries tighten, so you have to press this upper part, and it's a little bit tight. You have to add some more strength here. Okay, like this you can remove this one, and then you can replace this one. Okay, so I'm not going to replace that one, I'm going to use the same one. So like this. Okay, so I can recommend this product, it's good one, I have used this. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and let's meet with another good video. Thank you.